Hello everyone, welcome to our channel My Project Ideas. So today we are back with another interesting Python project, that is Python application to build number guessing game. Basically this is a number guessing game and it will need some requirements to code the program. So the first requirement is you should have the basic understanding of Python, because obviously we are coding in Python, and a text editor or Visual Studio Code to code your Python project, and obviously one Python environment so that you can build the Python code on your machine properly. So now let's move on to the proper coding part. So at the beginning of the project, the first thing we will do before start the coding part is importing the random module and the math module that we will need in this programming. So first coding we have to do is taking the inputs of lower bound and upper bound. So by lower bound it means that you can take 100, and upper bounds you can take 500, so like that. And based on that upper bound and lower bound, the system will generate some random numbers between that lower and upper bound, and you have to pick up and guess the correct numbers. So, like initially, the number of guesses will be zero, as count equal to zero, and then the calculation of minimum number of guesses will depend upon this range that you can see here. And after that, like a guessing number will be taken as input, where you have to guess the number and give it as input to the computer. And then the condition testing will start, where we have given the condition that if the guess number is correct to the system's random number as generated, then it will show you, yeah, congrats, you did it. But if it is not, then it will break and go to the next else if sections, where you will be given a hint that whether your guess number is too small or too high, and accordingly you can choose your guess number. And then if the guessing number is more than the required guess, then it will show that yeah, better luck next time, yeah, that the number is this and you have not done it properly, so do in the next time. So yeah, that's all for this explanation part. So now move on to run this program and see whether we can guess the number correctly or not. So now when you will run the program, you will see that you will be opted with lower bound range and upper bound range. So there you have to give the lower bound that you want to keep and the upper bound that you want to keep. So like you can see that here we can give the lower bound as 5 and upper bound as 15, and we can see that we have 3 chances to win the game. So let's guessing it. We saw that we are getting hints of what should be our guess. Next guess, let's try it out with something else and let's see we can win. And here we can see when I am giving 9 and it is getting correct. So yeah, that's how the game is working. I hope that you have understood this code, understood my video explanation. And if you have understood the video explanation, do like our video, share this channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get more videos like this in future.